What's up, you guys? It's Preetham here. So I just want to check on you guys and just want to share a real quick tip, which is how can you have more time on your daily basis. So I was reading a book which is written by Peter Drucker. He is a famous time management coach, and I think he was a consultant who only worked for, like, who used to work for executive like the CEO, COO, stuff like that. So on his book, the effective executive, he is saying that you can manage your time really smooth manner, but you have to know what are you spending your time on. So if you need to know, then you need to take a log and make a log of your time that you are spending at the first place. When you spend your time in some job, or maybe in some chore, maybe some in some task, then you need to make your log that it took this much of time. So in the future, that you will know like how much time that you will need it for that, and you can manage your time on that basis of your log. So this is kind of cool and very intriguing. Feel free to read that book. I'm reading it right now, and it's really cool. I believe that we all need to be really efficient and in our lives, and we need to be really productive. And feel free to subscribe this channel for more information, and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you shortly. Thank you.